when I was first approached with it, I got a chance to see the script. And when I looked at the script, from the very first moment I opened it up, I started laughing right away. I mean, I saw the drama and the storyline involved. It was a great story. I mean, I didn't even read the whole thing, but right away it was entertaining, and it was driven for ministry. So things like that. I mean, how could you not want to be a part of something that's good on so many levels?
I said yes to First Lady because I saw that as an opportunity to minister on a different level. I do realize that everyone is not going to come to the house of God to hear about Jesus. And I feel that God has many, many platforms, and this was another platform in order to minister. So I was not looking at myself as an actress. I am a psalmist. I've been singing since I was 4 years old. So acting definitely was a challenge, but I felt that I could handle it, and I'm excited to be a part of this. Ethel Sauerbach. I really, in the beginning, was a little leery about playing Ethel Sauerbach because she has so many issues, and she is a character that people kind of would not like too much in the beginning. But if I be real about it, there's a lot of Ethel Sauerbachs. There's a lot of people who have overcome drugs but still are dealing with characteristics of behavior of a drug addict. And there are people who are promiscuous because life carried them in that direction due to being inflicted by other people's lust in the beginning of their life, and that thing carried on into their adulthood. So there's a lot of people that have that they deal with, and they're a little more promiscuous because they don't know how to not be.
I previously worked with you and I really enjoyed it, so when I heard that you were putting on another play, I just jumped on it with no second guessing myself.
Okay. And what was it like working with the production, working with the cast, and being on stage live?
To me, I thought I was going to be shy, but it was funny because when you're on stage, like if you're dancing and you mess up, then you can like shorten your face, but when you're acting, you can just add anything or put more personality into it, and I really enjoyed it. It was a really nice show, and I liked helping the characters. Running around was crazy. This was the first show that I was in, and I thought I would just like not connect with everybody, but it was very cohesive.
A wonderful experience. It helped me to bring out, like I said, another character, make it alive, and to separate, to make a character that's make-believe real, and the audience and other people around can actually see this person and not see me, which is Jackie, you know what I'm saying? It was awesome to know that I could do that, and I enjoyed doing the character. The character showed humility. The character showed that she gives her all. She loved the Lord more than materialistic things. She was humble, and I enjoyed doing the character.
Well, I knew it was something that I wanted to do. I didn't know it was going to be as big as it was. I had previously worked with Brother Darnell in several other plays he had me to be a part of. I've never acted before in plays, only around my church when they've done several plays, but the largest parts or the biggest parts that I had in the plays came with a play that Brother Darnell wrote that he had me in. So he had me doing the largest part, and he had told me he had something in works and he wanted me to be a part of, so it was no problem for me to be a part of because I knew it was good because I had worked with him on the other plays. But again, like I said, I had no idea that it was gonna be this big. Mother Hatchet. Well, Mother Hatchet is a Southerner, and I'm a Southerner. Mother Hatchet reminds me of my great-grandmother, of my grandmother, of my mother, and of me. Because the way she acts, when my children get on my nerve, and I don't want to be bothered with them, I basically tell them off like Mother Hatchet would. So I drew from the way I would feel and how I would respond in certain situations with my children or someone I knew. So that's how I got the character, or I was able to act out the character that I played. But she's a great woman. She's a matriarch. She don't take no stuff. I don't take no stuff either.
What sealed the deal for me was the first rehearsal I came to. I saw the vibe that the cast had with one another, and I saw how it seemed like a family type of environment, which really is what I'm all about. I'm a family person, so to see a group of people, a group of African American people, and that have their love for one another as friends and as well as family, it's pretty much sealed the deal for it.
Once the Bishop character was really locked in for me, I was trying to say, okay, how should I portray the Bishop? And I was a little confused at first, and I was kind of playing with it as I was going with the rehearsals, and I was even looking at pastors and like Bishop, pastors and bishops on television shows. So I said, okay, which one? And okay, who can I really emulate as a bishop? And really, I didn't really grasp one quite yet. But what kind of helped me define a role as the bishop is interacting with the other cast members, with the other fellow deacons and everything. That kind of really brought to in the character of me of who a bishop is. And this bishop's kind of animated and kind of humorous at times, but he also brings upon a more serious role, who's somebody who's devoted to God and everything, and just very spiritual, and you can see that with the scenes, with the church scenes, and also his first scene with the pastor, who he anoints or ordains to be the pastor of the church as well. So
For Charlene as a secretary, not so much, because I was like being a thug that had got delivered and was in the church. And I'm not really a thug, I'm not a gangster. So it was very interesting to play, it was something different for me from that aspect. As Alice, the gossip girl, I do not gossip. I do not like people who gossip. But I have dealt with that, especially in high school. So I was used to it and I knew how to handle that situation. So far as being the evil spirit, that was the most fun for me because I was able to actually write my own song for it, and so to perform it and for people to react the way that they did to it, it was a great experience for me for that character.
What was the name of the rap song?
Shop T Drop.
And having had prior experience with drama and theatrical production, I saw First Lady as an opportunity to release some of that anxiety that was pent up from years and years of not doing anything. It was a pleasure. I mean, I was so taken back by the different characters and the different personalities that were coming forth and how people were able to come outside of themselves and to be expressive and to portray characters that were basically fictional and give them life. And when they breathe life into characters, it just gives me a sense of accomplishment because I'm able to influence the characters and influence the people to the point to where they perfect the characters and the roles just come alive on stage.